Hello, sir. Surprise talaga. Sorry, gugutom ba kayo? Sasabihin na, okay lang. Wala kasi sa usapan ko. Anyway, when we started OPU, engineering lang talaga, we had no idea of this becoming this big. Yung sa mga engineers, tama mga 12 of us, then we grew up a little more. We started with Mr. Han, and then with Mr. Inbay. We never in our dreams that it will become like this. Kasi nga, we understood this is a small one na. But then, as they said, thank you very much for the support that you had. And it's not any more important whether you're joining in Cavite or not, but the family feeling that you had. They were asking nga sana meron bang website man lang, kaya Facebook o Twitter na pwede kayo maging grupo ulit. Then at least, happy niyo ulit, kumari, like celebrating it again. May social sites naman that we can create OPU group. Diba? For you to meet again. Hindi naman ito dapat natin gawin para magtapos na. No? I hope you experience something more important with you. Kasi yun yung ating Samsung. The spirit of Samsung is the family way. Okay? I hope hindi mawawala yan wherever you go. Okay? Anyway, I wish na lang the best for all of you. Okay? Okay. Sige.
Thank you, sir.
Oo, diba? Sir, bigla.